loud. Stop. 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 Medium. Stop. Medium. Stop. 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 Loud. Stop. Medium. Very good. Stop. Loud. Stop. 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 This time, huwag yung puputulin. Pag sinabi stop, medium, loud, walang putol. Hindi putol-putol, hindi diretsyonan na. Already, set.
Alam mo yun.
Alam yan. Pakita mo sa amin talaga. Already, set. All vowel sounds, ready, set, go. Stop. Huwag bababago ng tone. Your turn first. Go. Yung baka na may big mo sa akin, Hindi, maintain mo na yung opening. Oh, maintain yung opening ng vowels kasi wala kang ugnayan yung vowel, yung anong opening. It doesn't have anything to do with the volume. The volume is control. Every control, listen. All of you, listen. The control, bawat control, kanya-kanya yun. Wala kang ugnayan sa ibang control. That it? Okay, let's do volume now. Soft to loud. It's called?
Crescendo.
Crescendo. Very good. It's crescendo. From soft to loud. Alright? Pag sinabi ko, okay, crescendo, it means from soft to loud. Mahina palakas. Okay, ready, set, go. Buka ng bibig, go. Opening, ready, set, go. Stop. Mali ang opening ng mouth mo, ha? Gumaganon din siya. Ikaw, good, better. Go, again. Better. Kaya lang, more power pa, ha? Your turn. Magbago tono. Hindi magbabago ang tone. Same pa rin ang tone. Go! Your turn. Practice pa, ha? Alright, very good. Okay. Loud, medium to soft.